This is a nice truck. There's just one problem.
Enemies.
Yes, it's snowing right now, and I can't take this RC out because I don't have a gear on it. Anyway, hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of our growing family, No Pros RC. We are on our way to 300 subscribers, and we definitely need your support. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. So today we are going to be talking about this guy that I picked up on the cheap, the Red Cat Volcano EPX Pro 4-wheel drive. So when I got it, it didn't come with the body. So I picked up this brand new body. It didn't have the battery top, so I grabbed that as well. And it didn't have a battery, so I grabbed that. And I thought everything was everything. I really didn't pay attention to that part.
Gotcha.
So yeah, I have a brass one coming from Amazon. I never seen a brass gear, but I don't know what the difference is. That's what they had, so that's what I purchased. And as soon as it arrives, I will install it. The snow will probably be gone by then, but it's okay. We'll still take her out for a spin. Winter, according to the groundhog, is still 6 more weeks, so spring will be coming. Although it was a nice weekend this weekend. As soon as we get the gear for this, we will test her out and see what she can do. Comes with this nice receiver here. You flip it up and you have all sorts of features. Throttle trim, steering dual rate, steering trim, yeah. With that being said, that's really all I have for you guys. This is kind of a quick video to let you know that we do have another RC in the family, and it's not a Traxxas. It's a Red Cat. Yeah. So we'll see what the Red Cat's all about. Enjoy your Super Bowl Sunday. I really don't have no horse in this race, so I really don't care who wins. I mean, the Bengals is in the Ravens division, so but I think Stafford should get a Super Bowl ring, considering he came from Detroit. Yeah, but that's where I'm going to leave that at. All right, guys, so enjoy your Super Bowl Sunday. Good luck to whoever team you're rooting for, and we will see you on the next one, hopefully with a gear in this and hopefully running. Maybe the snow will stick around for a while and we can rip her through it. All right, so y'all be easy. Peace.